Second Professor Adeyemi Obalanlege, the Olota Water, the Honorable Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, ably represented by Mr. Tosin, the Chairman of the Water Local Government, Honorable CA, the Chairman of the occasion, Honorable Dr. Kayode Odifa, the Managing Director of the Nigerian Railway Corporation, all other political appointees and functionaries here present. I recognize all our other cabinets who are here, and I'm pleased His Royal Highness of Dr. Wasu Ogunbayi, the technical Owodiota as a point of contact and courtesies. Kábíyèsí, Adeapelori, Opera, Polafi. I recognize the Chief Imam of Ota for being able to share Imam Sadiq Ibrahim Aladi. The Ota in Council, you are well recognized. I use the Bashir Ota. High Chief Muftau Olakole Salako, and the Lenu of Ota, High Chief Rufiat Ojude Matthew as point of contact and courtesies for all members of the long-time council. I recognize the planning committee for this event, and I use High Chief Adedayo Akindele with the chairman as a point of contact and courtesies for all of them. All our ballots, you are all well recognized. I recognize Lord Justice Dorojaye, all our various clubs and associations, you are well recognized. The Mother of the Day, Madam Jackie Kazim, you are well recognized. Our distinguished guests, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, engagement ought to join sons and daughters of Ota Aworiland in celebrating another edition of Ita Day Fiesta, coming at this joyful period of Eid al-Adha. First and foremost, we give glory to Almighty Allah for sparing our lives and granting us the grace to witness yet another season of celebration, fellowship, and thanksgiving in our dear community. I warmly congratulate and reveal Royal Father, Kábíyèsí, His Royal Highness of Professor Adeyemi Abdulkadir Obalanlege, the second, the Olota Water, on this occasion. Under Kábíyèsí's leadership, Ota continues to grow as a kingdom deeply rooted in culture and tradition, while also embracing growth, unity, and progress. I pray that Almighty Allah will continue to grant Kábíyèsí good health, wisdom, strength, peace of mind, and a long, impactful reign on the throne of his forefathers. I also extend warm congratulations to all sons and daughters of Ota, both at home and in diaspora. Ita Day has become much more than a cultural event. It is a homecoming. It is a celebration of identity, heritage, royalty, fashion, unity, and community spirit. It is a day that reminds us of who we are as a people and the importance of remaining connected to our root, irrespective of land itself. I recognize the chairman of the Fiesta, Dr. Kayode Odifa, chairman of the Nigerian Railway Corporation, whose presence here today further underscores the importance of Ita Day as a gathering that connects accomplished sons and daughters, friends and stakeholders of our land and Ota in particular. Dr. Odifa has distinguished himself over the years in public service and transportation administration, and we are proud of his continued contributions to national development. His participation in this celebration is deeply appreciated and serves as an encouragement for more accomplished professionals to remain connected to home and contribute to the advancement of their communities. I also acknowledge the chairman of this year's occasion, High Chief Adedayo Victor Akindele. We appreciate your continued commitment to community service and your willingness to identify with and support worthy initiatives that promote the unity and development of Ota. May Almighty Allah continue to bless and strengthen you. What makes Aba especially significant is the spirit of inclusiveness and coexistence it promotes. It brings together people across political affiliations, religious backgrounds, social classes, and generations under one banner and shared love for Ota. At a time when many communities are becoming increasingly divided, gathering like this reminds us that our common heritage is stronger than our differences. As we celebrate today, let us continue to support initiatives that unite our people, strengthen our institutions, mentor our younger generation, and encourage greater participation by our sons and daughters in the development of our hometown. Community development cannot be left to government alone. Every individual has a role to play, and we must all put our hands on deck. Therefore, it gives me great pleasure on behalf of His Excellency Prince Dakwadi, the Governor of Ogun State, thank the good people for their continued support, goodwill, and partnership with our administration. Our administration remains committed to ensuring that the dividends of democracy continue to reach every part of Ogun State, including our beloved Ota. Moki Kábíyèsí aláyélúwà ọba Professor Abdulkabir Adéyẹmí Ọbalánlẹ́gẹ́ Ẹkùn the second ọlọ́tọ̀ ọ̀bọ̀tà. Mo kí gbogbo àwọn ládéládé tó wà níjókòó. Mo kí gbogbo àwọn olóyè, gbogbo àwọn baálẹ̀, gbogbo àwọn sọ̀mọ̀rí tó wà níjókòó. Mo tún kí ilé ẹ̀kọ́ sí pé kí ti gbé o. Mo kí gbogbo wa pé a kú àlàjà ọdún. Àdúpẹ́ fún Ọlọ́run tí ó ṣọ́ wa, tí ọdún míì tó tún ṣe ojú wa. Àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run tí fún gbogbo ìdàgbàsókè tó wà nílùú wa, gbogbo àdúrótì tí gbogbo wa tí a jọ dúró ti ara wa, tí a ń fìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan, tí a ń sowọ́pọ̀ fún ìdàgbàsókè ìlú Ọ̀tà. Mo kí Kábíyèsí pé wọ́n kú oríire, kú ẹ̀tọ́ ìlú, gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe tí wọ́n fi ń gbé Ọ̀tà ní arugẹ, tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ń jẹ́ kí ìdàgbàsókè kó máa pọ̀ sí nílùú wa. Mo kí wọn Ọlọ́run àtúbọ̀ máa kún yín ní ọwọ́. Mo kí gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n ṣe agbátẹrù ètò tá à ń ṣe lénìí látòrí chairman committee, gbogbo ọmọ committee. Mo kí gbogbo yín ẹ kú iṣẹ́ ní agbára Ọlọ́run, àtúbọ̀ máa rí ara wa pẹ́. Gbogbo nǹkan tá a lè ṣe nínú ìlú ìsowọ́pọ̀ tá a ní láàrin ara wa àtúbọ̀ máa rí dáadáa báyìí tá a máa bára wa ṣe. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ìlú tó wá bíbá ilé ni àwọn tó wà ilé àtàwọn tó ti wá láti ìdálẹ̀. Mo kí gbogbo yín pé a kú àlàjá ọdún o, ní agbára Ọlọ́run a máa ṣe nígbà. Mo kí gbogbo wa ní ẹ̀kan sí i. Mo lè dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run tí Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kí ọdún yìí kó ṣe ojú wa ní agbára Ọlọ́run. Tó bá tún máa di ọdún tó pọ̀, gbogbo wa la máa wà bí wọn ní fìkan kan ní wá ṣe àwátì. A kú ọdún, a kú àlàjá ọdún, ẹ̀mí wá ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀. Mo kí gbogbo wa, mo kí ti gbé.